pasta with fresh, delicious mussels and a little chili and wine. I have not broccoli. What is this? Pepper steak? Beef pepper steak. Oh, yes, sir. And some plain white rice to go. So I was not able to record a lot today because we didn't have any power. So I'm going to upload with just a little bit of data that I have. But thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys tomorrow. I love you. Bye! It's like Lady and the Tramp. Oh, Chappy. Oh, handsome. This is my older son, and he just ate all the food that I made. And we're going to interview you. What do you think?
I had the taquitos left over. And I had some pasta, clams, some peppered steak.
Yes.
Peppered steak and some rice. Peppered steak was sweet. I think it was like compared to like a panda.
Uh-huh.
And then the pasta and mussels, that was a little bit of spin off.
Hey.
But, you know, it all managed to work its way in. And the white rice, you know, just a filler.
And the taquitos.
And the taquitos, that was an appetizer.
So
Only
we did
6.
good?
Yeah.
Woohoo! Thank you, son. Bro, I just made chocolate chip cookies. I know they look burnt. Trust me, they are not. This is just plain chocolate chunk. This is chocolate chunk with pretzels. Let me show you the chocolate factor. Dang, I knew I should have taped this. Oh, man. Okay, this is the cookie. It's not burnt. There's my chocolate chunks. I put a little bit of salt on top. Now check out the breakage. These are nice and cool. Bro. You see it? I've never had a cookie that does that. Bro. It's going in my mouth. It's a little crunchy on the outside and creamy on the inside.